Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Quick English. I'm Zito, and I'm really happy you are here today. This episode is your slow and easy English shadowing practice. Today's topic is something very important in real life: how to talk about your free time. Even if you are tired, even if you are busy, you can still do this. Just listen and repeat after me. No stress, no pressure, just practice. Let's begin. In my free time, I like to relax. Now you say it. In my free time, I like to relax. I don't always do something big. Now you say it. I don't always do something big. Sometimes I just stay at home. Now you say it. Sometimes I just stay at home. I sit on my bed and rest my mind. Now you say it. I sit on my bed and rest my mind. I like watching simple videos. Now you say it. I like watching simple videos. I also listen to music. Now you say it. I also listen to music. Music makes me feel calm. Now you say it. Music makes me feel calm. Sometimes I close my eyes and just listen. Now you say it. Sometimes I close my eyes and just listen. On weekends, I feel more free. Now you say it. On weekends, I feel more free. I wake up slowly without rushing. Now you say it. I wake up slowly without rushing. I don't set an alarm. Now you say it. I don't set an alarm. I enjoy the quiet morning. Now you say it. I enjoy the quiet morning. Sometimes I go outside. Now you say it. Sometimes I go outside. I take a short walk. Now you say it. I take a short walk. I breathe fresh air. Now you say it. I breathe fresh air. It helps me feel better. Now you say it. It helps me feel better. I meet my friends sometimes. Now you say it. I meet my friends sometimes. We talk and laugh together. Now you say it. We talk and laugh together. We share simple stories. Now you say it. We share simple stories. Time passes very fast. Now you say it. Time passes very fast. But sometimes I stay alone. Now you say it. But sometimes I stay alone. And I enjoy my own space. Now you say it. And I enjoy my own space. I think about my goals. Now you say it. I think about my goals. I think about my future. Now you say it. I think about my future. In the evening, I feel calm again. Now you say it. In the evening, I feel calm again. I drink something warm. Now you say it. I drink something warm. I prepare for sleep. Now you say it. I prepare for sleep. I let my mind relax. Now you say it. I let my mind relax. Before I sleep, I feel thankful. Now you say it. Before I sleep, I feel thankful. Today was a simple day. Now you say it. Today was a simple day, and I am happy with small moments. Now you say it. And I am happy with small moments. Very good, my friend. You just practiced real, everyday English speaking. Remember, English is not learned in one day. It is built slowly, day by day. Thank you for joining Quick English. Keep shadowing. Keep speaking. Keep improving. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.